Hello guys, in today's video I'll be showing you guys how I crochet my hair using one pack of Marley hair, and stay tuned for the video. And this is how the hair turned out to look like, so if you're interested, stay tuned. So I began by braiding my own hair straight backwards, and then I connected them to the back with fewer braids than the front. At the front I have about 12 cornrows, but in the middle I then added 2 into 1, 2 into 1. So it doesn't matter how your braid pattern looks like, but I ended up taking the leftover and just crochet into one of the cornrows, just to make sure everything is nice and secured. And the particular Marley hair that I'll be using for this video is Cherish Afro Kinky bulk. This is how it looks. I just cut off the tips where the rubber bands are, and then I started crocheting it on my hair like so. I didn't cut the hair. This is how it comes from the pack. I just trimmed the edges to remove the rubber bands that are attached to the hair, and I went ahead to just crochet it on my hair. At the front, from the beginning of the cornrow, I make the portions very small so they will look real like my own hair. And here is the look after finishing everything. And at this particular opening right here, I'm going to do an invisible part. So I'm going to go ahead and start crocheting very close to my own hair that I attached already, to do an invisible part, so that particular opening will become so thin and the hair on it will look like it's going from my own scalp. So that's just what I'll be doing. You crochet one side and leave one side to cover like so. I'm going to repeat it again. That's what I basically did on both sides of this opening right here, and by the time I was through, this whole gap was closed and everything was looking so real and as if it was my own hair. One thing I like about this hair is it came out so natural. You can use any other type of Marley hair, but I just so love this one, and I was certain that one pack would be very okay for the style that I was going in for, and it came out so perfectly well. So here it is. Look at the opening right now, it's closed and looking like this. So this is the next day, Sunday, preparing to go to church. I just took my scissors and tried to trim the ends of the hair. I didn't trim too much, just a little bit flyovers here and there, and I was happy with the way everything turned out to look like. I didn't play so much with the hair. I didn't even detangle it that much. I wanted it to just stay like this for the first few days, so I'll see how the whole thing will be looking like. This is the back. This looks so much like my natural hair. I went to church. Everyone was asking if this was my real hair, and I was just laughing because that was the intention from the very beginning when I was creating this hairstyle. Here are some photos. You can see me smiling. The back, the hair looks so full for one pack. I love you for watching. Subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends.